Isang katelbang mambabatas ang inaasahang haharap sa prosekusyon sa Enero kaugnay sa flood control scandal. Kabilang na dito si Representative Eric Yap na may direct connection sa mga diskaya. Samantala, Zaldico nagtangay ng bilyones gamit ang cryptocurrency. Narito ang politiko update ni Ian Maghano.
Dalawang dating senador at 20 kongresista ang nakatakdang humarap sa prosekusyon sa Enero kaugnay sa flood control scandal. Yan ang ibinunyag ni DILG Chief John Vic Remulla sa The Spokes ng Bilyonaryo News Channel.
They have ghost projects.
Oh.
They have, some of them are contractors. I don't know to what degree of consanguinity is necessary in the eyes of the ombudsman. We haven't talked about that. But the definite ones, I think there are 10 with direct financial links to the Diskayas, to the Eric Yaps, to all these contractors. They may financial transactions sila bank to bank.
Ayon kay Remulla, may conclusive evidence na mag-uugnay kay Benguet Congressman Eric Yap sa mga transaksyon ng tinaguriang flood control royalty na sina Sara at Curly Diskaya. At malamang si Yap daw ang unang maaaresto at sasalang sa prosekusyon.
There's an electronic transfer of money. They're crooks eh. They're not criminals eh. They're crooks. They're small-time crooks. Diba? The real criminals know how to hide. They know how to hide the transactions. But these guys are crooks. Diba? It baffles me how they, what kind of impunity they...
Maybe part of the reason.
Sinabi rin ni Remulla na 5 bilyong piso ang tinangay ni resigned Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico habang nagtatago umano sa Portugal gamit ang cryptocurrency. Siko, na siya ring dating House Appropriations Committee Chairman, ay isa sa mga itinuturong nasa likod ng bilyong-bilyong budget insertions.
He's a poor man with a lot of money.
Sa ngayon, plano ng DILG na makipag-ugnayan sa UN Convention Against Corruption para mahanap siko. Ian Maghanoy, Bilyonaryo News Channel.